Welcome to this video. In this video I would like to show you how you can change your password of your SAP user easily. Furthermore, I would like to show you how an administrator can change your password. Enjoy this video and let's get started. So to change your password of your SAP user, first of all you have to open up the program SAP Logon. Once you've double clicked on this icon on this program, then you will have a similar look and feel. I think they will have maybe different connection with different SAP servers, but you have to open up the connection, double click on the connection where your SAP user exists, where you want to change the password, and in here you have to type in your credentials, so your SAP username and your password, and over here you see a button called new password, also executable with a 5 key on your keyboard. And once you've clicked on this, then this window, this pop-up will occur where you can type in your new password. So I type in a new password, and then keep in mind that the passwords are case sensitive. And then once you've hit the enter key on your keyboard or clicked on this button, then your password has been changed. So this is one easy way how you can change your password on your own. Now I would like to show you how an administrator can change a password. So for this purpose, I am logging in with a different SAP user, and here you have the transaction code SU01. If you hit the enter, so you type in this transaction code, and here you can type in your SAP user or the SAP user to whom you want to change the SAP password. So in this case, it's Andreas G2. And over here, you have a button called Change Password, also executable with the key combination Shift and F8. And once you've hit this button, there you can type in a new password. So in this case, I'm typing in a new password. And then if you want to, you can read this information over here, or maybe the password status info. And once again you hit the enter key on your keyboard or clicked on this button, then this password has been changed. And keep in mind that the password has only been reset, so not really changed. So if I'm logging off from this SAP user and logging again with the different SAP user, so with Andreas G2, and type in the new password, then the user will be asked to type in a new password. So always the user has to type in his or her password. And now the password has been reset by the administrator and been changed by the user, him or herself. And another way, instead of using this function change password or hitting the key combination Shift and F8, you could also go into the user maintenance in the transaction SU01 once again, and then click on this change button, and then on to logon data. You have exactly the same functionalities over here. If you want to, you could also type in the new password, repeat the new password, and then click on the save button or use the key combination Control and S to reset the password. And once again, the password will only be reset, and the user, him or herself, can change the password. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment sections. Please hit the like button, and please subscribe this great YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about interesting facts about SAP ERP and SAP S4HANA. Thank you very much, and then see you in the next video.